Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to show news and interests on Taskbar in Windows 11 so you can quickly access updates, weather and headlines right from your desktop. Now let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on a blank space on the taskbar. The taskbar is the bar located at the bottom of your screen where you see the Start button and Open Apps. Right-clicking on an empty area opens a context menu with customization options. Step 2. Select News and Interest from the context menu. This option controls the widget that displays news updates, weather information, and other quick details. It is useful because it allows you to manage how information appears directly on your taskbar. Step 3. Click on Show Icon and text to display news and interest on the taskbar. This setting makes the feature visible with both the weather icon and a short text description. It helps you stay updated at a glance without opening any apps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.